Here we go again. Here goes Nashville.
The National Weather Service in Nashville has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Dixon County in Middle Tennessee, north central Maury County in Middle Tennessee, western Williamson County in Middle Tennessee, northeastern Hickman County in Middle Tennessee, until 6:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:55 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado is located near Centerville, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Centerville around 6 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Fairview around 6:20 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Prudence Springs, Lyles, Bon Aqua, Nutley, and Pinewood. This includes the following highways: Interstate 40 between mile markers 156 and 159, and between mile markers 161 and 183. Interstate 830 between mile markers 1 and 21. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.